In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a marketplace listing on your mobile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe and let's get right into it. So if you are wanting to list something on Facebook Marketplace, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to your Facebook app. Once you do that, obviously you will be on your newsfeed here. And from here, you will need to click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once you click on that, as you can see, there is an option there for Marketplace. If you click on Marketplace, it will bring you to this page where everyone is selling stuff. And if you want to sell something yourself, there is a sell button on the top bar there. And then once you click on that, you can create a new listing. So you're going to need to go ahead and choose whether it's an item, a vehicle, property to rent, or if you're advertising a job. So for this example here, I will click on items. And then what you will need to do first of all is add a photo of the item that you are selling. So once you have added your photo, you need to enter in a title. So for this example, I will just put in tutorial. And then after that, you will need to set your price. So you can put whatever price you like. So for this example here, I will just go ahead and put £5. The next step is to enter in a category. So once you enter in a category, you have got a lot of categories here. So antiques, collectibles, arts and crafts. And you have got a lot of categories that you can search through to find the relevant one for your listing. So for this one here, I will just go ahead and find, I will select handbags. Once you have selected your category, you need to select the condition your item is in, and this is very important. So select the condition, so new, used like new, used good and used fair. So you can go ahead and choose used like new if that's what condition your item is in. And then next up, what you can do is add a description of your item. So you can go ahead and put in like keywords in here. So for example, you could go ahead and put the brand of the handbag and stuff like that. And then you will need to enter in your location. And usually if you have your location enabled on Facebook, it will already be there. And you can go ahead and select this drop down menu here. And here is where you can put in the brand, the color, the material and the bag closure. And this will not be available on some of the items, but this is only available because I've selected a bag. And then for listing options, you can click on hide from friends, so none of your friends will be able to see this in Marketplace. And you can go ahead and click on listing more places if you want to list it in Facebook groups and things like that. Once you are happy with all the details you have entered in, you can select publish in the top right hand corner. And then what that will do is it will publish your listing, and you will need to wait for Facebook to approve this. And once it's approved, it will then show up on Marketplace. So that's how you can go ahead and add a listing on Facebook Marketplace.